Hello everyone, welcome to my Kyros AI app review. Today I am really excited to share this incredible Kyros app with you. What is Kyros app? Kyros is an AI-powered app designed to automate to promote of affiliate links, specifically those on platforms like Warrior Plus, JViju, ClickBank, and more. It leverages the power of ChatGPT 4o to streamline the affiliate marketing process, making it easier for users, regardless of their technical skills or experience, to generate affiliate or passive income. Users simply select the affiliate link they wish to promote, and Kyros handles the rest, driving traffic and commission, offering a simple, hands-off approach for anyone looking to earn from affiliate marketing. Guys, stay tuned as we break down the features, benefits, and my personal take on whether Kyros app is worth your investment. And don't forget to check the description box below to get your hands on this amazing Kyros app. Let's dive into the details of Kyros app. How does the Kyros app work? By following these 3 simple steps, you can easily manage the Kyros app. Step 1. Purchase. Click on any of the buy buttons for instant access. Step 2. Install. Simply install the Kyros app, no tech skill needed. And step 3. Enjoy. We watch the AI app auto-promote any affiliate links in 60 seconds, making us $529 a day. Here are some key reasons why you should choose the Kyros app. Number 1. Auto-promote affiliate links. Number 2. Install and you are ready to rock. Number 3. Get unlimited free traffic. Number 4. No tech skills or experience needed. Number 5. 3-figure a day tutorials included. Number 6. No upfront cost or risks. Number 7. Let Kyros promote product for you. Number 8. No complicated setup or commitments. And number 9. Be the first to ride this new wave. Guys, this Kyros app front end price only $9.95. This Kyros app creator Bill Leader, from the decks of affiliate millionaire Bill Leader to the next successful beginner. Location London, UK. This is Kyros app user earning proof. Kyros includes everything you need to clone our $529 day machine. Install it in just one single click, no tech skill needed. Number 1. Brand new Kyros app. Full access to our next generation ChatGPT 4o powered app that we use to turn any Warrior Plus link into $529 day money making machine for us, worth $47 monthly. Number 2. Kyros install. Beginner friendly install technology that allows you to be up and running without tech skill, complicated setup, or any others mambo jumbo, getting you to the money quicker. Number 3. Kyros offer selector. The offer selector feature will automatically display which offer are proven money makers on any given day. Simply select the one you like and Kyros will do the rest, worth $997. Number 4. Kyros Auto Promoter. The built-in automatic promotion features lets you simply choose which Warrior Plus affiliate links you would like to promote, and Kyros passively does the rest for you, from traffic to sales, 100% hands-free. Number 5. Kyros Pocket Edition. This will allow you to also operate Kyros on the go from your mobile phone or tablet, whether it's an Android, iPhone, Chrome, or anything else. This will work, worth $297. Number 6. Over-the-shoulder training. Everything you need to know is explained in simple step-by-step details that even an 11-year-old could follow along. Number 7. World-class support. Have a question? Just reach out to us, and out them will do their best to fix your problem in no time. Worth $497. And number 8. Kyros 1x1 monitoring. You will also get 7 days of unlimited 1x1 monitoring. Simply let us know if you need help and our expert will reach out to you to give 1x1 monitoring. Worth $2,997. Plus 5 fast action bonuses included with Kyros app. You will get all of this for just a one-time payment of $9.95. So guys, grab your Kyros app now. And to access this Kyros app, please check my description box. Click the product sales page link below. Then you will be directed to the product sales page. Watch full product sales video and read the full sales page for more information. After that, make your decision with Kyros app. Finally, here's everything you are getting with Kyros app today. Everything included. Total value of everything $6,491. But you will get all of this for just a one-time payment of $9.95. So guys, grab your Kyros app now. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and leave a comment if you have any question about Kyros app. Catch you in the next video.